is Nora, and I am your presenter for today's fire show. So we are going to look at a fire tornado, but before we look at that, we are going to talk a little bit about fire. Anyone here have never seen fire before? Oh, some of them have not. But for those of you who have seen fire before, we know that fire makes it very, very hot. But what do you need to make fire? Do you know what you need to make fire? Well, I heard somebody say charcoal. Well, charcoal is a type of fuel. Okay, so we need a fuel source. It can be charcoal, it can be liquid gas, it can even be simple things like your clothes. So that's why you have to be very careful. Okay, what other things do you need? Gas. Gas is a type of fuel also. We need something around us.
Oxygen.
That's oxygen. Wow, great answer. And lastly, we will need initial spark. Okay, a starting fire, heat source, or an initial spark. So you need these three things. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring these three things together to create fire. But before we can do that, I have a few safety precautions to tell everyone. Firstly, okay, please do not repeat any of the demonstrations at home because it might not be safe. Okay, and please don't try to do it at your friend's home either. Okay, it will still not be safe. Okay, secondly, if anything is to happen, okay, the fire exits, there are two of it. One is on the front right there, okay, through the defense signs exhibition. The second one is at the back right of himself, that is through the loading bay. So there are two exits, one over there, okay, through the defense sign, the other one at the back. Okay, so what I have over here is a type of fuel. Okay, it's called lycopodium powder. Okay, for those at the front you can see it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make there be fire. So we have fuel, we have an initial spark. Where do we get the oxygen? Where do we get the oxygen? All around us, right? So when we bring all three together, is there any fire? No, there's no fire. Is there any fire? No. So what's wrong? We have all the three ingredients, but there's no fire. So what I have done is I have put the lycopodium powder inside, and I'm going to blow through the tube so that the powder will be dispersed. So over here, I need your help to count to 3. Are you all ready? Okay, ready? 1. Whoa, do you see that ball of fire? Okay, that is what happens when all three ingredients come together. When it was inside the dish, they are not in close contact with oxygen, so you cannot see the fire. Okay, but when they are all in close contact together, you see that ball of fire. But we are here to see the fire tornado. Right here, this chamber would help us create that effect. Okay? This chamber has 3 parts. If you look at the bottom, from where some of you are sitting, there are the fins which will allow the air to go in. Okay, there's this chamber here, and we're going to close the door once we have put on the fire, when we have started it. Okay, in the middle there, the liquid inside it is the gas. So before we can start the fire, because it's going to be very, very hot and very, very dangerous, I need everyone to take at least 5 steps back. Okay, those who are seated, you have to stand up, you have to take 5 steps back. Alright, thank you very much everyone.
Okay, one more step. Thank you. We need to move.
Alright, and I'm going to invite my fire tornado specialist to start the fire. Okay, let's give him a round of applause because without him this won't be possible. Alright, as we close the door and it gains momentum, it will start to spin because the air is coming at the bottom in one specific direction.
Look at the bottom. I know. You know, I see the
When the hot air will rise up, and that's why you can see that the fire starts to create a column of tornado. This fire tornado can reach a height of up to 6 meters. Okay, from here until up there, that's 6 meters.
Thinking that you will understand what does optimum fire speed means.
As it gets more intense, the fire will become thicker and thicker. Okay, you can already start to feel the heat now, but for those of you, especially at the front, if you are to put your hands on the glass, you will not feel hot at all because these are really heatful glass. And if you stay all the way till the end of this fire tornado, you will be able to see another type of tornado, which I like to call the vapor tornado.
The base. 你猜呢個歌？What do you think? I use miniature. Small boy. Oh.